I've got something.
You've got something?
I've got something.
I've got something.
What you got?
I've got a bone to
something.
pick with you.
What?
What the hell's happened to all the money in the Popalong account?
I've been buying us stuff, man.
Us?
Yeah.
Now, we've been down this road before.
No,
there's been that us thing, and you end up
genuinely
giving me like a sticker or a post-it note or something.
I've been fed up with you whinging about you ain't got stuff, right? So I've got some stuff for you.
Okay.
All right. Shall I open this box and have a look? See,
Go on
you can
then.
say thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. So
you better have got me some stuff.
Right. Okay. I've got you some donuts.
Donuts. I'm on a diet, boss.
Got you some more donuts.
So these are truck foam inserts.
Got you some more donuts.
Thanking you.
And that's your last pair of donuts.
So I've got 4 sets of donuts.
Donuts.
4 trucks.
No, I'm not going to stop there. I'm not going to stop there because your old pal Mark, yeah.
Yeah.
I need a thank you off the back of this.
Okay.
I've got you some tyres.
Oh, now what we got here? We have got yellow mini spikes.
Everybody
to
loves
go with the donuts.
I've got you some more tyres.
These ones are yellow mini spikes.
Hang on, whoa, hold on a minute. You nearly forgot something. Unbelievable. You know what? I'm worried about you.
Ooh.
What are you getting?
Do you know what?
What are you getting?
What? Do you know when you go on holiday, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
And you go to like Corfu or something.
Corfu, yeah.
And you walk along the beachfront and then they have these little shops that just sell those pens that you turn upside down and
the bikini falls off the lady.
That sort of thing. And they have like bottle openers in the shape of phallic objects.
Thing,
but they also sometimes sell like really cheap snorkels.
I'm getting cheap snorkel.
I'm getting cheap snorkel.
I'm definitely.
If you do that, it'll be like cheap snorkel mask. Anyway,
right.
Can you put those back in the bag?
So we got you some of them. Now
Yellows.
that's the yellow compound. You know why it's yellow, don't you?
Why?
Because yellow is a trusted compound for most track conditions. Not when it gets wet. Right, I've got you some other things.
Oh, perfect.
Right, I've got you some.
Did you get some wheels to go with these?
No. Well. No, because you didn't. No, you didn't. You ain't been whinging about wheels, so I thought you'd have wheels.
Oh.
But I did get you some of them wheels for the old fronty.
Excellent.
Fronty
so
wheels.
these are.
Ride. Everyone likes a ride.
Everyone does. These are the control tyres for the fronties, which I've got 2 of at the moment. Speaking of which,
Go on.
over there I've got the FT9 and the Vibe FT. Do you fancy driving one of them?
You gonna let me drive one of your cars?
I'm gonna let you run in the new tyres because they're not very good for the first few runs. So you can just wear in some new tyres for me and then give them back.
Yeah, I can be your tyre bitch.
Yes, that's it.
I got you some more just in case.
Well, they're for the other car, aren't they?
No, I'm not gonna stop there, brother. I'm not gonna stop there. I've got you some other things. I got you a nice little combo here.
Ooh,
You like them combos,
I do
don't you?
like a combo.
Now that one will sit very, very nicely out new front of yours.
Cool. So this is the Just Stock G3S ESC with a G2.1 17.5 turn.
And that's the one I think you'll find. I had a little Google and I was like, what is it? What the one you want and that? It was a very confusing thing for me to do. But that's the one.
This is the one
you need for the fronty class.
The fronty. So you get one of them.
You get one of them.
And you get one of them.
21 and a half, sorry.
It should be 17.5.
Oh, yeah.
17.5.
Oh, yeah, 17.
Got me worried for a second.
I was kidding. 17 and a half, and then you got the old XC1, whatever you call them.
Do you fancy soldering it up for me? Because you do a better job of me at soldering.
Yeah.
Because if you look at that car there, that's a little embarrassing on my FT9.
Yeah, it's not good.
It's not good, is it?
But I didn't stop there. I've got you one of them as well, because you're always smashing them up.
Oh.
And just in case you smash that one, I've got you another one.
Well,
Alright, so
that is
Now,
Awesome.
I couldn't get you something and get myself nothing. So I got myself something. Now, that LD3 you give me.
Yeah, I do know the
It's a
LD3.
beautiful car.
Beautiful.
I'm getting to grips with that car. I bought a new shell for that. Penguin one.
Cool.
Penguin one.
Is that the right shell for it?
Yeah. This is the one I wanted because this one here is the old Penguin Raptor. And that's the one I wanted. The old Penguin Raptor.
There you go.
So I've got one of them. I've got some donuts.
Ah, your donuts are blue.
Some donuts. Got some more donuts. And another pack of donuts. They're fronts, because I have an idea, right? Now, I don't know if I...
This is the idea you told me about.
Okay. So,
This is where all our money's been going, boss.
yeah. All right.
You have a problem. You have a problem.
Hear me out. Hear me out. Now, when I used to race my car when I was a little... Have I told you about it when I was younger and I used to...
You have mentioned it maybe 5 or 10 times.
Anyway, when I was younger, we had no money, and I had one set of tyres to last me for the whole season.
Right.
So obviously that's not good, right? Because if it rains, you need, ballistic buggy greens or Schumacher silvers. I know a lot of my tyre guru now. I know my stuff about the tyre, yeah? And you need soft inserts in the wet and mediums when it's dry, blah-de-blah-de-blah. Well, I've got a bit of an idea. I got super fed up with going to the meetings and then the heavens open and me and you ain't prepared. I am done with that. So, I propose you an idea.
Go on then.
We get 3 boxes.
Right.
In one box, I glue up loads and loads of rear tyres.
Right.
I'm talking your silvers, I'm talking your yellows, I'm talking your azamis, I'm talking your mezzos, yeah? Yeah?
Right.
Your cactus,
Yeah.
right?
You're going to use them once and then throw them away.
No. Now, box number 2, we're going to have our fronts in there. We're going to have your splinters, your shards, whatever it is, your this, your that,
Cut
the other.
staggers.
Your cut staggers, your glued down cut staggers, your staggers, the full works, yeah?
Right.
We're going to have your ballistic buggy greens on there. We're going to have your pin spikes, your mini spikes, the whole shebang, yeah? They're going to be in box number 2.
This is sounding
So what
expensive.
you go, yeah, but that's why there's no money left, yeah? But we're going to do all right, yeah? So when you go to track, you can look at the weather and go, okay, or you go up to your track guru, the guy who's always winning it,
Yeah.
your Nathan Rose's, your Matthew Tunkses, yeah?
Yeah.
Your chlamydia, but chimera people, yeah? Them people, yeah? You go up to them and you say, what are you running? And if they're nice enough to go, I've got these tyres, and you go, so have we now, and we stick them on.
Fair enough.
I'm not going to stop there though, because, and that's where these come in, we need a 4-wheel drive front. Because rears fit the 4-wheel drive cars, yeah?
Right.
So I'm going to do the same. 3 boxes. Now, let me tell you something. How many of you do that? I bet they don't do that.
No one does this. This is stupidity.
Anyway, I've got myself...
Stupidity.
So, for my little project, I've got some wheels, fronts for the 4-wheel drive cars. I've got 4-wheel drive tyres, yellow, slim... Actually, these are 2-wheel. Sorry, these are 2-wheel drives.
Stagger rims.
Yeah, staggers. That's your 4 wheels. That's your 4 wheel there. The wide stagger. I thought I'd try them. Sorry, I thought we'd
Are they
try
silver
them.
ones or yellow ones or blue ones?
These are all yellow because guess what?
What?
I already got silver ones in the last batch.
So there's been more than one batch of this.
Yeah, that's what it's
Unbelievable.
I also got myself a couple of these because the LD3, yeah, has got a little... Well, when you go in, you get little stones caught in them, don't you? The spur gears and that. Some more donuts. And the last thing I have got here is I've got a brushless motor, a 10.5 turn hobby wing brushless motor, and that is for Pitman Days YZ10 because at the moment it's got a 13.5 in it and it ain't fast enough. So there you go. And that is why there's no money left in the account. But we don't have to buy anything for ages.
That is... I'm struggling with this tyre thing, boss.
Listen, right? When we go to a venue,
Yeah.
and you come up to me like you always do, and you say, "My car's not running very well."
We don't say that.
Yeah, you do.
Then
I'll say, Carl, go to box number 1
Right.
and box number 2
Yeah.
and pick yourself some tyres. Now there is one rule with this. This is a grab and drop off system.
Okay.
So you grab them, use them. Once you've done the race meeting, they go back in the box. Yeah.
But what if they're the tyres that I use all the time?
No. You can't do that on this system. The system ain't going to work.
I need a set for that, which I'll just leave them on it because that's what I do.
You can't leave the tyres on. That is where you're going to fall short.
No, because they become the tyres for that car.
This system ain't going to work. If with that attitude, it's just not going to work, right? Maybe I might let you.
I need a set of tyres for that. I don't want to be messing around.
I'm the tyre man. Yeah.
Okay. We'll mix it up. Hopefully, the fact that we like different things means we can bring varied content to you. Are you a hoarder? Do you waste money like Pro Racer Mark here? Or do you just run your cars into the ground like I do's? Anyway, if you've liked this video, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and hopefully we'll see you trackside soon.